Hello everyone, welcome to Tamil Reviews. This is our 28th video of our Golang series. In the previous video, we have discussed about the channels, right? Hope you got a clear understanding about channel. In this video, I will quickly recap the channel things. And today main topic is channel buffering, right? When we are learning about the channel buffering, it is very important to you know about the channels, right? Now already you know about the channels, right? First I will quickly recap this channel thing, right? I will create a channel called message, right? Using the make keyword. Make and type is string, right? In here we can send some values to the channel, right? Using the goroutine, right? I have created this goroutine, and then we can send some value to this goroutine using this operator, right? I'm say this is P. Okay, this is a goroutine, right? We have discussed all the things in the previous videos, and then we can receive that channel content here, right? Using the empty dot println, and this operator we can receive the content of this message channel, right? We already have discussed these things, right? This is a unbuffered channel. I will tell you regarding the unbuffered channel, right? Unbuffered channel act like this, right? By default, channels are unbuffered, meaning that they will only accept send, right? They will only accept send if there is a corresponding receive, ready to receive the sent value, right? In here it will only accept this one if there is a corresponding receiver there, right? I will explain that while drawing that one, right? In here assume that this is our main thread, right? Main goroutine. This is our another goroutine, right? I will mark this as main. This is another one, right? So in here main goroutine execute like in this way, right? Meanwhile, in the task 1 also execute after starting it, right? And then there is a channel here, right? Channel, and it will try to send messages to this channel, right? When running this task 1, main task also running, right? And then we have implemented that receiving thing here, right? Using this operator, right? Only if there is a corresponding receiver, then we can put messages to this channel, like in this, right? By default, this capacity is 0, right? Unbuffered channel means capacity is 0. This is very important. Capacity equals 0 by default, right? In here, that's the happening thing, right? When we are sending messages to this channel, there is a receiver ready, right? Then we can get that. And also if we try to send messages to channel using the main thread, what is the output now? It says that there is a deadlock. What is the reason for that? Because when we are sending these messages to the channel, there is no corresponding receiver for that one, right? Because when we are executing this one, there is it didn't execute this line, right? Because of that one, we can't send messages to channel in the this way, right? This is the reason for the deadlock, right? To avoid that one, we can increase the capacity. Then we call this the buffered channel. Like in this way, I have increased the capacity 0 to 1. Now, what is the output? Now we can send messages, right? Buffered channels accept a limited number of values without corresponding receiver for those values, right? This is a buffered channel now, right? Then this channel can accept the values, right, without having a receiver, right? And then we can get that values, right? I will try to put another one here. What is the output now? Then it will again say there's a deadlock because the capacity is 1, right? We can only put one value to here, right? If you want to put 2 values, we want to increase the capacity, right? Now we can get those values, right? Another thing is that we want to know by default, right? The capacity is 0. Another one, this channel acts as a queue, right? Then it means it will work in first in, first out, right? This is a queue. It works as a queue, right? It means that, right, in the first time I will, if I put numbers like 2, 3, 4, right? Assume that this channel name is message, right? After adding this operator, we can receive the values now, right? After that, this channel contains this content, right? After receiving the value, then it means this value is equals to 2, and then the rest of the values are 3, 4, right? These are very important when we are learning about the channels, right? Okay, these are the things that I want to teach you today, right? These things are very important. Now you have an idea about the unbuffered channels and the buffered channels, right? Please keep practicing those things. These things are very important when we are learning about the Go, right? Okay, we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.